Here we are, Car City, 2232 North Rand Road, Palatine, Illinois, 847-496-4250. Wanted to show you some trucks, SUVs, winter-ready haulers, starting with Chevy Colorado, a Toyota Tacoma, Honda Ridgeline, beautiful, clean Ford SUV slash pickup, Nissan Titan, Volvo SUV, Grand Cherokee, GMC, beautiful 09 minivan. I looked close in this one last week. Super clean leather, brand new to us. Ford Edge, beautiful Ford Flex, beautiful Lexus RX, very well equipped Mazda SUV 2008, fantastic sporty Cadillac SRX, and four-door Jeep Wrangler. Give us a call, Car City Inc., 847-496-4250. We'll give you a quick overview of the rest of the lot. Got some great vehicles in stock today. They're ready. Come take a look. Come take them home. Come give them a drive. Come make a deal. Visit Car City for the best deals on used cars.